Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to pass a Tripanya test. So once you have logged in or selected the language, you click on apply now. Once you are on this page, you go to the questions. You can see that it's told that you must 400%. This is just a guide. So for the first question, it's asking what that I've done that. It's usual. Sometimes the way of marking the exact time audio, and it's usually done after 2 minutes, after 30 seconds, according to what the specifications of the clients are. What should you label in a transcript? It's the speaker level times, and if you are not sure who is speaking, you always use the question mark, then the speaker label. Song titles, TV programs are always italicized. If you are not able to listen because of background noise, you use the inaudible sound tag. This is usually done. A pause is longer than 10 seconds. The time, you always use that one. Then dates are transcribed in this order. Then do not correct grammatical rules. Never leave out derogatory words. So with that, we ensure we have scored 100%. Confirm. Please, if you can like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so you see we have